train.
The Van Gogh Museum? Good morning, buongiorno. It's not morning, it's evening. But this weekend, where are we going, Ashley?
Verona and Venice.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and find the correct
Man,
train.
we gotta go all the way back up.
Okay. We'll see you when we find our train. We found our train station. Turns out it's delayed by a half hour.
Previsto di 50 minuti. Ci scusiamo per il disagio. Delle ore 19:29
And what are the...
Attenzione,
Brownie.
allontanarsi dalla linea gialla.
And I got a monster and I already had my chips from the house. We're prepared because our thing is 45 minutes. We made it on the train. An hour and 8 minutes late. We made it. It's midnight and it's cold. And it's cold and there's snow on the ground. We made it to our Airbnb. We have our keys and it's so cute. I'm about to give you a little tour. I'm super excited to be in Verona, even though it's snowing. I'm excited. We're going to bed. So good night. Good morning. We're in Verona. It's covered in snow, and we're trying to figure out how to get into the city from our Airbnb. We're trying to find breakfast. I'll let you know if we're successful. And homegirl wants to eat here so bad we're eating outside. We're trying to find a church so we can warm up because our shoes are soaked. And we're gonna try and find a shoe store to buy, because we both wanted a pair of boots anyway. We're gonna try and find some hard shell boots for tomorrow in Venice because it's gonna be the same weather. It started snowing. It's not raining, it's snowing. Juliet's balcony. It's so pretty from up here. Oh. lunch.
Che dovevo scrivere quello che diceva lei, se no.
They did what?
Chiamato a nord, spiegavo.
That drink's hitting you a little.
Non lo so.
What?
It's the van delivery.
The Van Gogh Museum?
Look how nicely dressed they are.
Oh, the tomb's cute, Ashley.
Yes.
We're waiting at the bus stop for the bus. How your feet doing, Ashley?
They're wet.
Yeah? Can you
Yeah.
feel them?
Yeah.
I can't feel mine. What do you think of Verona?
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. We went shoe shopping but was unsuccessful, so hopefully tomorrow when we go to Venice we'll be successful. But we're gonna go home. Do you want me to try?
Okay, yeah, you can try.
We're back in our Airbnb and we stopped by the grocery store because we got a little excited because it was the size of a Walmart. I think we're just going to take our shoes off, put them by the heater, and curl up in bed, watch a movie, and go to sleep because we have a train at 5:45 a.m. tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's 4:45 a.m. because we found out you can't take the bus to the train station and you can't call the taxi or an Uber here. So we're walking 40 minutes to the train
Wow, it
station.
would have been a 9-minute drive.
Great. And our shoes, by the way, still wet. So it's great. Here we go. We made it to the train station. We had to get to platform 10. Ashley, we made it on the train. We made it to Venice. Yay! Now we're leaving the train station and have no idea where we're going, but we gotta find breakfast. There's a bridge. What, Ashley?
I want to touch the water.
Girl, it's cold.
I know, but I want to be like, yeah, touch the water. Oh my god, that scared me.
It hit your foot. You
Okay,
touched it.
I touched it.
Cat, 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 cat. You look so a little vicious, but cute. Ashley, what time is it?
Check's Fitbit. It's 11:30. It's 11:30.
It's 11:30. We're heading to Casa de Marco Polo. And then we're gonna head towards food. We found lunch. Very fancy restaurant. Black noodles. We just had coffee and some pastries, and now we're going back to Verona. How do you feel?
A little salty.
Did you like Venice?
Yeah.
too.
I don't know if I liked Verona or Venice better. I think they're kind of even for me.
I think so too. I think Verona's nice because it has a lot of like things to go see, but I also think Venice is nice because there's no cars
I like the
and
water.
it's super calm with all the water. Yeah. But now we're gonna go get on the train and order a taxi so we don't have to walk.
That's not happening.
Nope. That moment when you think your train leaves at 7:15 but it leaves at 8:15, so you have an hour to roam around the train station. Waiting for the train to leave so we can go back to Verona. Sad day. I'm crying laughing because imagine if we were on the wrong train and we just watched our train leave, trying to explain that to the information first. I'm so funny. I cried. 4 tears. Train's leaving. We're on the right train. We made it back. We had to get a taxi because couldn't figure out how to get a bus ticket. Oh yeah, earlier in that candy store, we may have gotten a bag of candy. We just kind of grabbed like 2 of anything we thought was interesting, and then 1 of these.
That looks so good. We're eating
It's like
that tonight.
a marshmallow macaroon thing. We have matching rain boots now. Yeah, I think we're gonna chill, possibly watch a movie, and then go to bed because we gotta be at the train station before our 8 o'clock train. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah. So I didn't film us getting from the Airbnb to the train station because we were so stressed out and we missed the bus and thought we were gonna have to walk a half hour, but then this nice hotel called us a taxi and we got here just in time to get on the train. So yeah, now we're headed back to Rome. Ash, we made the train. Ah. We made it. We're back in Rome. Now we're gonna get on a bus and go home. Ooh, that rhymed. We're back in the apartment. We're gonna make food and then we're gonna just be as lazy as possible because we're tired. Y'all enjoy your night. We're gonna enjoy our dumplings. Have a good day and good night.